Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Those are new, please subscribe my channel and like my videos because I always upload fashion related and makeup related videos. Today I'm going to share a mini birthday vlog where I am very excited to relate my birthday. So I'm going to wear new dresses on my every birthday. Today I'm wearing this kind of clothes. So after wearing this clothes, I'm going to start my makeup. So firstly I'm going to fill my eyebrows. After that I apply lots of moisturizer on my face. After applying this moisturizer properly on my face, I'm going to apply a foundation. Which one is a Glam 21? I like this coverage, full coverage on my body. So properly applying my body with the help of beauty blender. As you can see difference on my skin and this foundation. It is a very good and it stays 24 hours. It is very useful for me. After applying this kind of foundation, I'm going to apply peach lipstick on my cheeks and I blend it with the help of my finger and beauty blender. After blending this, I'm going to apply an eyeliner. This is a Korean style eyeliner. I usually like to wear straight eyeliner, so I inspired with this lot of things. I always apply this kind of liner sometimes. So as you can see that how to apply this kind of liner, you need to these kind of wings on the down, not the upward. After applying my whole liner, my eye makeup is done. So I go to a natural nude lipstick, apply on my lips. After applying this kind of lipstick on my lips, I am going to contour my cheeks a little bit natural contour. After using this kind of contour, I'm going to blend this with the help of